Hello guys, today we discuss how to replace the battery in Lenovo Thinkbook 15G2 ITL series. It is thumb lock and face lock facility. It's the Core i7 and 11 generation laptop built-in 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard. In this session we now channel like and subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video we describe how to replace the battery. It is very easily, and first of all open the all screw and I mention it and pull the cover and remove the battery terminal from board and remove all screw in. Plug in battery 1 2 3 and 4. Remove all screw, 6 4 screw and pull up the battery and install new battery and plug in the terminal on board. Now the session is complete. Easily perfectly replace the battery and press the alt back cover lock and tight the all screw. It is built in 2 GB graphic card in this model 15G2 ITL series, and tight the all screw very carefully. Who are watching the first video on this, please like and subscribe our channel. Therefore you watch further information in our channel. Now see the all specs is working normally. Thank you very much for watching our video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.